Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a colorful shapes. First, let's draw a triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. Now let's draw a circle. A circle is round just like a ball. Next, let's draw a heart. A heart is the shape of love. Now let's draw a star. A star shines bright in the sky. Time for a pentagon. It has 5 sides. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And finally, let's draw a square. A square has 4 equal sides. Yay! We drew all the shapes. Now let's color them. Let's color the triangle red. Wow, it looks so bright. Now we color the circle green, just like fresh grass. Let's make the heart pink. So pretty. The star should be yellow like the sun. The pentagon is blue, like the sky. Finally, the square is purple. Such a fun color. Hooray! We finished drawing and coloring our shapes. Wait, now time for glitter magic. Red. Green. Pink. Yellow. Blue. Purple. Wow! Our shapes are shining. Great job, little artists. See you next time for more fun drawings.